Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Okonkwo here. It's so good to have you here. Since when I began this series on how to use the HISENSE top loader 8 kg washing machine, the bubble clean type, and the particular specification is the WTJA 802T type. I've been doing this series for a while and I've liked the feedback, the questions that have been coming in, and the fact that it has been able to help a lot of people to use their machine and solve a lot of problems. I'm so happy. The feedback has been awesome. I'm grateful for the people that have showed their appreciation. I'm so glad. It means that I'm giving value to you guys and helping you solve your problems, and that's one of the greatest reward I have from doing these videos. I gain a lot from watching YouTube videos, so being able to contribute back my own quota to the YouTube family is a beautiful thing. So in today's video, I just want to basically give you the benefits or the advantages of using this top loader HISENSE washing machine. I like the convenience that it gives. So if you really want to see how I use it manually, both manually and then automatically, you can check my other videos. I'm going to be dropping them in the description box. But for today's videos, I just want to talk about the ease that helps me managing my home. So about maintenance, if I head right into the video, maintenance, how I maintain this washing machine is basically I just most times I use a dirty clothes I'm about to wash, especially dark colored and a cloth that is not of high value, right? I just use it to clean the top, not wet, just dry. So I use it to clean the top, the surface, so it's not dusty or having some marks. So I just clean it. Nothing serious, just to make sure that it's looking neat. Yeah. So sometimes I have detergents that's kind of fall into this part mistakenly, so I can just use the cloth to clean it. So any dust, any stains, wipes it off, and that's okay. Now I go ahead, then I put on my power source. My power source is on now, and I started using this type of detergent. Is a persil 3-in-1 capsule detergent. So it's liquid inside. So you have the liquid soap, and then the softener is also there. So it has a very good smell. I know I did a short about the things I don't like about it, but I'm going to be talking about the things I like about it here. I like the fact that it's convenient. I don't have to measure detergents and pour here in this detergent box. I don't have to do that. All I have to do is just throw them at the bottom. I don't have to measure out softener to put here or cloth fabric to pour in this spot. All I do is just to throw them. When I have up to 8 kg, 6 to 8 kg quantity of clothes, I use 2. But when it's just maybe 3 kg, I use only 1. So that's what I like about it. It has a very good feel to your clothes, and the scent, the perfume is very nice on your clothes. That's what I like about it. This is the pack. This is the pack of this persil 3-in-1 capsule. Yeah. And for this particular part, this particular type that is written non-bio. Non-bio means that it's good for your colored clothes, right? It also washes white clothes, just that for the white clothes, it won't make it to shine very bright and all that. Yeah. So yeah. And these are my clothes. So I'm washing colored clothes. So I'm washing that colored clothes, including a school bag, a cloth-like school bag. So that's one of the things I like, the convenience that it gives me. I don't have to start washing this on manually. I can wash it here. Mind you, this is a soft cloth-like bag, so it's easy to wash here. So I'm going to put it in the middle, and these are other dark colored clothes. So meaning that, what does this mean? You should sort your clothes. some people ask me questions like, is it really good for washing and all that? It's very good, just that know the rules of using this washing machine. Don't wash different colors at the same time. For instance, I wash the white splits them. I wash things like this a white hanky, white singlets, white shirts, everything. I wash them at the same time. Then bright colored clothes like maybe yellow and maybe blue, light blue and all that, I wash them separate. Then dark colored clothes, they go in at the same time. So you should sort your clothes before you use them. So I've put in my clothes. Now to learn how to use this washing machine, if you're using detergent and liquid softener, clothes fabric that you get to put here, you can watch my other videos. I'll link them up in this video. You can watch them to see how I use them. Now the next thing to do is to put on the power button, and then I already have it in this fuzzy setting. There are other settings that you can change to. For instance, if you have a pack of jeans clothes, you can use this setting. If you want to just maybe some clothes, dark colored clothes that are light, they are not really dirty, you can use quick. Then delicate, maybe clothes that are really delicate, very light and can easily tear and all that, you can use this delicate. Then if you just want to rinse and spin, maybe you hand wash the clothes and you just want to rinse and spin, you can use this one. Heavy clothes, maybe blankets, your favorite clothes. Then echo will just lightly wash your clothes. Baby care, see, baby care goes for 1 hour. Like it will wash it like 3 times and double rinse and all that. Then tube clean, you just want to like this tube top clean. I should try it one of these days, but the setting I usually go for is the fuzzy. It will pick up the setting automatically. For this fuzzy works with the weight of your clothes. So once I press the start button, it's going to select the water level for me and the length of time it will go. You'll notice that for others the time is already fixed, but for this fuzzy it will pick the time for washing and rinsing water level based on the weight of my clothes after I weigh it. So we'll go ahead and press the start button. So it will turn the clothes. So once it has weighed it picks up a time, that's 53 minutes, and water has started going into the tub. Now some people tell me they have that E1 setting. Most times when E1 setting comes up for me is whenever it has started operating and you open the tub, remove your hand. See, it has started operating, right? You'll notice that it will give me an E1 setting. See the E1 error. What I'm going to do is to close it. Once you close it, that E1 error goes. So when you have that E1 error, guys, just make sure that your tub is properly closed. You understand? If it doesn't work, then you have to try it. Another thing, maybe having to stop it and restart. Yeah, and then it works. So this is one of the things I like about this. And now I'm heading out with the kids. We are going out. Say hello.
To mommy channel below.
Thank you. So we are going to just head out. So that's the benefits I like about this HISENSE washing machine. You can just put everything and just go do other things you want to do in the house. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So if you need to see the beginning and the end steps on how it works and everything, I'll link up my other videos so you can go ahead and watch them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye.
So I just got back home and I'm going to be putting it off. It stopped on its own. So how it does is that it will just go off on its own. So it went up on its own and my clothes are washed. So this is just one of the major benefits of having a washing machine like this at home. The fact that it gives you convenience that you can have your clothes washed and you can go ahead and enjoy your day. So I just went out, did some shopping, grocery shopping. That was like 2 hours ago, and I'm back home and my clothes are washed. And all I'm going to do is to spread them. If you notice, they are not dripping wet, they are just damp. So I can just spread them and they will dry up. Another maintenance tip with this top loader washing machine is to always clean up your lint filter after washing. So you see that I picked up pieces of clothes like lint, that's what it's called. So it will do well for you to always wash it. Before I did this set of clothes, I washed it. So when I'm ready to dry them up, I'll empty it and wash it, and also clean up this part and fix it. So I'm still unpacking my grocery bag, so I'll just leave these ones, but I'm not going to close it again. I'll just leave the tub, I'll leave it open. So it's also a maintenance tip. Even after I empty these clothes, I'm going to leave it open for it to get air, because if you keep closing it, it's going to start having the kind of smell. So after I take out the clothes, I'll leave it to be open for a while before I close it. So thanks guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. So do well to watch the other videos. If you want to know how to use it manually, that's if you do not have running water, you can use buckets of water. So you see the video there. If you want to use it automatically with powder detergent, your clothes softener or clothes conditioner, you can also use liquid. If you have liquid soap, you can use it in this part. So you see my other videos where I talked about those ones. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Make sure to like this video, make sure to like the video and share it if you find it helpful, and drop your questions if you have any in the comment section. Bye.